Alright, in the previous lecture we created the graphical user interface from Xcode. Now what we're going to do is launch it in the simulator and see how it goes. So I'm going to click the run button and I'm going to bring up manually the simulator and see if it pops. And as you can see, perfect, everything seems to be showing perfectly here. Now again, remember to use the 42mm Apple Watch simulator and not the other one. Why not the 38? Because the images right now are made for the 42mm. Now it's very easy to just resize the images and have them ready for the 38mm, but just know that for this lecture, just for the sake of learning, we're going to stick to the 42mm one. Okay, so as you can see, I can click on the spin button and it's dimming out, but nothing happens because we need to create the logic to have this spin, and whenever we click that button we want to trigger the action of spinning. Alright, so great job so far. See you guys in the next lectures.